At WTE, engineering excellence begins with strong in-house manufacturing capabilities. One of our core manufacturing strengths is our fully integrated in-house cold forming facility, equipped with advanced hydraulic dished end pressing and spinning machines. This capability enables us to manufacture high-quality dished ends and other formed components in both carbon steel, CS, and stainless steel, SS, with exceptional precision. With both pressing and spinning technologies available under one roof, we can select the most suitable forming process based on component geometry, material specifications, and customer requirements. This flexibility ensures superior dimensional accuracy, excellent surface finish, consistent product quality, and optimized production efficiency. Our in-house manufacturing setup eliminates dependency on external vendors, significantly reduces lead times, and provides complete control over every stage of production and quality assurance. As a result, we deliver reliable, cost-effective, and high-performance solutions for pressure vessels, storage tanks, water and wastewater treatment equipment, and a wide range of industrial applications. WTE is committed to maintaining the highest standards of engineering excellence, quality, and customer satisfaction through its advanced manufacturing capabilities.